run, run so fast. Feel the wind as we go past. Running makes us strong and fun. Walk, walk, step by step. Slow and steady, don't you rush. Walking keeps me calm and happy. Jump, jump, up so high. Touch the clouds up in the sky. Jumping makes me laugh and smile. Sit, sit, nice and slow. Hands on knees, ready to go. Sitting calm is very good. Stand, stand, tall and straight. Feet on ground, looking great. Standing strong feels just right. Write, write, ABC, little letters for me. Writing helps me learn. Draw, lines of art. Colors coming from the heart. Drawing makes me read, read, open the book. So many stories, take a look. Turn the page and learn today. Reading takes us far away. Speak, speak, say hello. Soft and magic, words are fun. Speaking helps everyone. Sing, sing, la la la. Raise both loud and sweet. Singing makes our joy complete. Clap, clap, hands together. Happy sounds in sunny weather. Clapping makes our music fun. Dance, dance, move around. Shake your body, feel the sound. Spin and clap and stomp your feet. Dancing makes the fun complete. Listen, listen, ears up high. Hear the sounds go passing by. Listening helps me learn something new. Watch, watch, look and see. A butterfly flying happily. Eyes are open, bright and wide. Work, work, do your best. Try and try, forget the rest. Little work and little play. Working helps us learn each day. Climb, climb, up slow. Step by step, up we go. Tight and smile, proud. Hop, hop on one foot. Up and down like a kangaroo. Hopping makes me laugh a lot. Slide, slide down fast. Laugh loud, have blast. Sliding makes play fun. Cook, cook, stir pan. Mix food nice, clean. Cooking makes me happy. Play, play every day. Run and laugh and shout hooray. Games are fun with friends around. Playing makes us happy sound. Crawl, crawl on the floor. Move ahead and crawl some more. Crawling makes me strong and smart. Push, push, nice and slow. Use your hands, now off you go. Pushing makes me strong today. Pull, pull, come right here. Use your hands, don't you fear. Pulling makes my arms feel strong. Throw, throw, up it goes. Watch it fly up to the sky. Throwing makes our playtime fun. Catch, catch, hold it tight. Two hands ready, just right. Catching makes me quick and smart. Kick, kick, kick the ball. Watch it roll and then it fall. Kicking makes our game so fun. Ride, ride, go, go, go. On my bike, nice and slow. Riding makes me happy, oh. Smile, smile, big and bright. Happy face feels just right. Smiling makes the world so nice. Eat, eat, chew it well. Healthy food makes me feel swell. Eating gives me strength and power. Drink, drink, sip, sip, sip. Water helps me feel so fit. Drinking keeps my body strong. Open, open, wide, slow. See inside now, no opening brings new fun. Close, close, shut tight. All safe feels right. Closing helps keep neat. Build, build, stack high. Blocks go step sky. Building makes me smile. Clean, clean, tidy time. Make neat, make shine. Cleaning keeps room nice. Carry, carry, hold tight. Lift with all might. Carrying makes me strong. Brush, brush, teeth bright. Morning and night, every time. Brushing keeps my smile clean. Wash, wash, scrub, scrub. Clean my hands with soap and rub. Washing keeps me safe and clean. Bath, bath, splash. Bathing makes me clean and fresh. Sleep, sleep, close eyes. Dream stars up skies. Sleeping helps grow big. Wake up, sun bright. Morning feels fresh light. Waking makes happy day. subscribe and like Happyland Fun Kids channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!